Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Hyundai Sonata door handle. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an 8mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Having a new door handle ready is also key. Make sure you're in a well-lit area to clearly see all the components and fasteners. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel. Start by finding and removing any visible screws, often hidden under small covers or in the armrest. Then, use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges, releasing the clips that hold the panel in place. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for switches and the cables attached to the door handle and lock mechanism. Now let's focus on the exterior handle. Open the door and locate a small rubber grommet on the door jamb, usually at the same height as the handle. Remove this grommet to access an 8mm bolt inside. Loosen this bolt to release the lock cylinder, then carefully pull the lock cylinder out. With the lock cylinder removed, you can slide the old exterior handle towards the rear of the vehicle and remove it. Install your new handle by reversing these steps. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cables to their proper positions. Carefully align the interior door panel, pressing it firmly to engage all the clips, then reinstall all the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, thoroughly test the new door handle and the lock mechanism to ensure they operate correctly and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.